Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Visual Studio Code in your PC on Windows 11. So you can download in two different way. Install Visual Studio Code in two different way. One is from the Microsoft Store. Okay, just go to the Microsoft Store. You have to log in, and then you have to search here VS Code. Hit enter, and here you will find Visual Studio Code. So just directly you can actually install from here. So it will be installed in C drive. Windows installation drive. So in this case, the C drive. So it will actually install in C drive. But let's say want to install it in different drive. So you have to download it, and then you have to search here VS Code. Okay. So here you can see the download option. Just go with the download and click here Windows, and here you can see downloaded. It start downloading. So I'll actually install it in C drive. So I will go with the this one, okay, from this Microsoft Store. Just click here install, and it will actually install. But let's say you want to install it in D drive or other drive in your PC, so maybe you can actually do this through the manual one. Okay, you have to actually download it manually and then go for the installation, and then you have to set the path. Set the directory. Okay, that's why actually you want to install it. Okay guys, here you can see it installed. So now we can actually install, open it. Here you can see Visual Studio Code. In this case, if you missed here, from here you just have to search from here. So just type here Visual Studio Code, and here you can see, just open it. So we got it, right? And we'll check all of them. Okay, done. Now here, from here you can actually download extension also. Okay, and if you actually want to open a folder, you can actually click through it. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching.